The collection really didn't start till 58, I suppose. I mean, I started taking pictures in 1955. And in 1958, I was shooting pictures in Trafalgar Square. And there was another photographer who came up to me and said a very bizarre thing. He said, "Oh, I think you might be a pretty good photographer." Anyway, it turned out to be Sergio Lerin. I was looking at Sergio's pictures and he gave me a couple of his pictures. And I realized how much I treasured, you know, not only the beautiful pictures, but there's something which is, in my opinion, undescribable about the connection between having the print that a photographer himself had okayed. So I started to collect, and then I started the idea of actually swapping a print. And so that's what I started to do. And I had the confidence that I could go to photographers, you know, like Dorothea Lange and people like that. And I then had the arrogance to sort of meet her and say how much I liked her pictures, and I would love to swap a print. And I suddenly discovered that actually people like doing it. I think the collection is a very personal collection. I think of the photographers that are in there, it would not be possible to have a better collection.